Cody, what are you doing? Oh, hello. Today we're going to be playing more Broken Bones IV. I have the hat in the background. Please don't copyright me. Yeah! Yeah, Ken the hat. Plus. Huh? I already got my Christmas tree. I don't know if you see it that direction, but we do have a Christmas tree. Because I can't see my webcam there whenever I play now. I have reached level 7 here now. I've grinded. Oh god, I already broke 67 bones. And I know a thing that will actually help me a lot. Bam. Look at this. The helium balloon. I don't know what's wrong with the internet here. It's something. I don't see the internet problem, but it's something. There's our Christmas tree. Right there. That's our Christmas tree. There's the Christmas tree. Okay. Oh my god! What happened? What happened? What happened? What happened? Oh. What's happening? What's happening? Please don't do it. Please don't. No. I have perks just in case. No, don't do it. Don't do it. No. Babas Mima, Babas Mima, Babas Mima, Babas Mima, Babas Mima, Babas Mima, Babas Mima. And yeah, I am level 22 now. Okay, I need to stop doing that. That's cool. I got bones. Oh. I'm doing front flips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. No. Hey, yo. That's some bones. You know, every time the trees. What happened? I'm lost in space. I keep doing it. I don't know why. It's so fun. Oh god. Boom! Okay, I'm doing more flips. We're doing more flips, as we can see. There's a hole here? There's a freaking hole there? I didn't know that. I didn't know that there was a hole there. A freaking hole. I'm gonna go back to it. I'm gonna go back. Well, at least I'll break more bones, but... Oh. Oh, okay, cool. I want to go back to that area where it had the hole. For some reason, I managed to get to it. I want to get back to it again and try to land in the hole. Maybe there's a secret thing or something. I see it. I have the helium balloon, so, and I can control when I can control it, so you can get to it. No, go that way. That way. I hate you. Go forward! Forward! Why? I barely have any flight control. It's going backwards! It only goes forward once I go down. Hold on. I need to upgrade my flight control. There we go. It's at 13 now. First, I have to do forward. Oh, okay, we're actually getting close to it. I have a lot more control. No. Heck no. Go! Go down. Bruh. I hate this game. Ooh, come on. Get in the hole. Oh, no! Wait, that was a level the hole. Wait, that was a leveler? I'm gonna go to level 2. I'm gonna go to level 1 and then keep upgrading until I find that hole. Oh, it's actually all the way up there. I think that's level 2. Just stop the thing. Reach 15 miles per hour. You get that. Okay, plate. Stop. Stop. How did I reach 3 miles per hour? I'm gonna change map. And level 2. Alright. Alright, let's see. Is the hole there? Yep, it is there. Whoa. Wait, what? That's lame. That's actually so lit. That girl has to be Aggie. Heck no, she can literally pick the spot she wants to start. Literally, she's so lucky. I don't know how she did that, but I think she hacked. Literally, she can now go anywhere she wants to start. That's cheating. I don't know. That was lame. I just did that for no reason. Land in the tree. Land in the tree. Land in the... Oh, okay. Hold on. I got an idea. Oh my god. I've never think of this. Oh my god. Guys, what if we just punch? Like this.